Welcome to TradeSpoon. My name is Val Carpel. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and trade of the day. First, let's look at the disclosures before we get into specific details. Trading stock and options involve risk and not suitable for everyone. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in current market conditions. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not registered with FINRA nor SEC. I'm showing you what I do in my own portfolio based on my own risk tolerance level for general education information purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor prior to making any decisions. Also, it should not be assumed that the future trade picks will be profitable or will equal past performance. All right, so let's take a look at the current market. Looking at the spiders, the trend for the next 10 days, this is a 10-day prediction. I'm looking at the stock forecast toolbox. This is our flagship product that makes prediction for different asset classes. I'm looking at the 10-day stock prediction. The trend for the next 10 days, neutral. We're seeing overhead resistance is around 300 level. We touched on it shortly. Right now, trading right at the predicted high. This is price. These prices are posted, predicted high and low, the day before. So you can see the stock is trading within the range. Neutral. Neutral vector or trend for the next 10 days. We're seeing overhead resistance around 301, 302 level. Has been that for the past few weeks, and the support is around 295 to 94 level. We have FOMC decision that will happen on July 30th, 31st, and I think that will set the tone whether we're going to break out of this range 303 or we'll revert back to 50-day moving average 290. I personally think that we will revert to 290, but again, a lot of it will depend on what would the interest rate decision be on July 31st meeting. Looking at the seasonal chart, this is a different model. Runs on Sunday, makes prediction for all the equitable, optionable stocks. The prediction is made on Sunday by 6 p.m. for the next 50 days. So each stock is being evaluated 4 times, 4 different independent predictions being made for the next 20, 30, 40, and 50 days based on our studies. If you see 4 out of 4 or 3 out of 4 prediction pointing to the same direction, lower for SPY, then you can look at the accuracy. We've been accurate about 80% of the time when that signal is generated. So compared to the Sunday, the prediction is that for the next 50 days, the average price of S&P would be lower than it was on Sunday. So the trend is to the downside. And again, overhead resistance 298, 300, potentially dropping to 290 level. I think 284 is probably over-exaggerated, but again, depends on the interest rate decision. Looking at what drives the market, FOMC decision, July 30, 31st meeting, that's important, and earnings. This is a big week for their earnings. Coca-Cola beat the analyst estimates, up 5%. Visa announcing earnings after the close today, and Boeing, Comcast, Starbucks, and Twitter, Amazon are about to announce this week. Looking at different models that we provide, we have 3 different models based on different time outlooks, optimized for different time outlook: active trader, monthly trader, and weekly trader. Active trader for day trading, monthly trader for you holding position for months or a little bit less, and weekly trader you holding position for 5 days or less. So now I'm looking at monthly trader. Signal was generated on July 15th, HPQ. Recommended price to buy either 21.23 or 20.74. You can see if you bought it at 21.23, the stock was as high as 21.72, trading around 21.50, 21.60. So about 1 to 2% move since the recommendation. So again, this is an example of the monthly trader model. Signals generated on July 15th. We trade these signals in our live trading room. You can see all of our winning trades. We're averaging 75% accuracy. You can see all the winning and losing trades. This is an example of HPQ that I actually traded in a part of the premium service. Entered the trade at 225, closed at 263. So not only do we provide signals, we actually trade them in the live trading room environment. And trade idea for today and tomorrow are best buy. This being a signal. With day trade, it was part of our live trading room, so it was meant to day trade, or you can hold a position for maybe 1 or 2 days. Ideally, you want to buy it at 75.05. Positive trend for today, positive trend for the next 10 days. Again, would be a day trading where either you buy the support or you buy and hold a position for a couple days. Active Investor Workshop is happening today at 3:30 Central. Hopefully you guys can join us. It's gonna happen 3:30 Central, 4:30 Eastern, about 3 hours from now. And we're gonna have next Active Investor Workshop 2 weeks from now. So you can still register for this workshop, even if it's not, if it's over, you will be able to participate in a live workshop environment next Tuesday. Link tradespoon.com/workshops. And as always, please follow us on social media for all the latest market commentary news. Facebook.com/tradespoon. Thank you very much.